Okay, so we've looked at basic circuits, so now we're going to have a go at sticking some switches in there. So a switch is basically something that can break a circuit or it can complete a circuit. So there's two major sorts of switches up here. Again, we need a power source and we need something electronic to work. So I'm going to connect my negatives up, and then I'm going to use the first type of switch, which is just an on-off switch. So the off side is going to go round up to the bulb, and the on side is going to come down to the battery. And you'll notice there's a little break here in the circuit. When I click the switch, the switch flips up, the circuit is complete, and the light comes on. So that's our basic simple switch. We've got a slightly more complicated switch. If I get rid of this, I'll need to get rid of some wires as well, which is a toggle switch, which means we can toggle between two circuits. I'm going to get two lights. Again, I'm going to use my battery. Now, with the toggle switch, the major thing to do is make sure you've got two separate circuits, but to use the same battery, you need to connect the negative up to the middle section, the positive to each light, and then the negative of each light to each side of the switch. So the positive from the battery will go to that light, positive from the battery will go to that light. The negative, so negative here will go into this switch, this side, and that will now go into that side of the switch. Now you can see this light is on. If I click it, that light goes on. So what we've got here, it goes from the positive round into the light, round up here, that's connected and comes back to the battery. If I click this, the switch moves across, it goes from the battery round here, down through the light, back up into the switch, and back down to the battery. So have a go at that. Have a go at putting in some switches. If you're feeling really adventurous, have a go at this switch here. This is a slider switch. Okay, we can slide this red toggle up and down. So have a go at that, popping some switches into your circuits.